I actually believe this. I actually believe this. So Jamaica played their first Gold Cup game against Guatemala on Monday night at 9 p.m. and Jamaica lost 1-0. Now, people, I believe that this was actually not an awful performance, as everybody will have you think. I actually don't think that. I actually think this game was an okay performance. Now, a lot of players had bad games, but in totality, I don't think this game was the worst game that Jamaica ever played. Honestly, I was looking at the game, and there was no point in the game where I was frustrated with what Jamaica was trying to do. No point in the game that I was frustrated with what we were trying to do. No point in the game where I was frustrated with the style of play. I was frustrated with the way we approached the game in terms of adjusting to Guatemala instead of allowing them to adjusting to us. I was annoyed with the individual mistakes that we were making. I was annoyed by the way the midfield was playing. But in terms of the strategy and the way the coach set up the team to play, I wasn't annoyed. That was just the truth. And throughout the 90 minutes, what we were trying to do was actually what we were supposed to be trying to do. And I told you guys in the first video I did on the Gold Cup that expect inconsistencies. Expect this team to not have it all together.